I'm sure you're aware that FinCEN issued guidance in 2014 to clarify Bank Secrecy Act expectations and set the rules of the road for banks and financial institutions seeking to provide services to legitimate marijuana-related businesses in states that have legalized. What I have heard, including from New Jersey institutions for which medical marijuana is legalized, and now the state is considering the possibility of passing legalizing recreational marijuana, is that there is a concern, according to the Pew Charitable Trust, since the guidance was issued, the number of banks and credit unions serving businesses in the industry have more than tripled to nearly 400. If it's going to be legal in any state, I think it should be bankable and transactionable, and we should be able to have eyes on it and understand revenues and how the money is flowing. FinCEN's guidance has been critical to alleviating some of the public safety risks as well in terms of accumulation of large quantities of cash at dispensaries and businesses. And I worry that any steps to walk back this guidance only serve to undermine public safety. So can you commit that this guidance is going to stay in place?
We are reviewing the guidance in light of the Attorney General's recent decision to revoke a Justice Department memorandum on this issue. What the guidance did was it provided guidance to financial institutions with respect to what kinds of SARs they should file in different circumstances. The laws with respect to the Controlled Substances Act, of course, remain on the books. Those haven't undertaken any changes. That would have to be done by the Congress.
Well, but when you're saying you're reviewing, does that mean that you find a conflict with FinCEN having the standards for banking transactions in states where the law permits these sales to take place or uses to take place, and that you see there is a conflict with it that would lead you to say, no, you can't bank them anymore?
I'm not suggesting that there's a conflict or not a conflict. The guidance remains in place, and we're taking a look at it in light of the Justice Department's announcement.
Would you let us know if you move to change it?
Yes, of course we would let you know.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for your courtesy.
Thank you.